Step into a world where every day is magical. Introducing the GBG Year in a Day calendar, a daily guide for witches, pagans, and seekers of the occult. Created by traditional Gardnerian witches, this isn't just a calendar. It's your daily connection to the sacred and mystical. Each day offers a unique piece of occult wisdom, from spellcraft tips to astrological events, ritual inspiration, and the history of Wicca and witchcraft. Never miss a Nesbit or Sabbath again, with detailed markings for full moons, solstices, and equinoxes. Plus, track the movement of the planets and align your magical workings with cosmic energy. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, the GBG Year in a Day calendar is a trusted companion for your magical journey. It's perfect for personal practice, coven meetings, or as a thoughtful gift for the witch in your life. Bring the magic of every day into your life. Order the GBG Year in a Day calendar today and let your spiritual path shine all year long.